You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English once and for all correctly. For more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned. How to pronounce in English tops. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Tops. British English, the Americans would pronounce it more as tops, a bit more open sound, while British is more tops over tops or tops, but that's just an accent thing. How to pronounce in English pronunciation tops. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.